A little history, I guess, on the TDC or the lithium ion dog. The safest way to expose the dog to the lithium ion was to just imprint right on the battery. Could be 10 years, 20 years old and not be charged. Um, it was still off gas. And it's that constant off gassing that the odor signature that the dog is picking up on. The initial imprintation is similar. Obviously, the odor is different. And cell phone or lithium battery, there doesn't seem to be, to the human nose, a big scent signature. So it's basically we present the odor to the dog and it's sniff, reward until the dog has some kind of odor recognition. And then we transition into the gallon cans with other distractors. We want to now challenge the dog. So obviously, some of the first things we want to work on is other batteries. Regular batteries do not off gas. So the big difference is the lithium ion, which is rechargeable, off gases, as well as any associated odors that the dog comes in contact with in training, which is taping on the boxes to any markers or just any associated odor that the dog might associate while we're imprinting the lithium ion. The pallets are just a drill we do early on in the training for the dog because it's one decision, it's odor recognition. The seam wall is to teach the dog to follow my target and to teach the dog productive areas where there's an air exchange. The block wall, the same thing. We can add distractor odors. We can set the pattern so the dog stays high, stays low, and it's just conditioning the dog to follow my target and to trust that eventually I will lead him to the odor he's looking for. The bins is something we've been doing with the other TDCs. It kind of similar to, let's say, a airport screening section where you put all your valuables. Inside the bins, we put any kind of electronic device, anything that doesn't have a lithium ion battery but contains other power sources such as nickel cadmium batteries or AA, AAA, and anything that might trigger a false alert on the dog. The pallets in the ULDs are a little bit more of an advanced search, and it's just teaching the dog to follow the pattern of the ULD, slowly suppressing the odor deeper inside and checking the dog's threshold to be able to find it, inside a box, behind another box, up high in a pallet, and then eventually wrapping the pallets.